Hello my dear students, in this video we will learn about the digestive system. The journey of our body begins at the mouth and ends at the anus. The food passes through a process called digestion, where it is broken down completely till all the nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream and waste is removed. There are many organs involved in this process and there is lot of activity happening in every organ. First of all, we have mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. So now my dear students, we are going to discuss all these organs in detail. So let's begin. First of all, we have mouth. We begin digesting our food as soon as we put it in our mouth. Do you know, children, our teeth are the powerful crushers that cut, chew, tear and grind the food. Our tongue pushes the food inside the mouth as it mixes with saliva. Do you know, children, what type of glands we have in our mouth? Yes, we have salivary glands in our mouth and cheeks, which secretes a liquid called saliva. Saliva break down the food into smaller particles and help in making the food soft and smooth. The tongue, which is a powerful muscle, moves the food towards the back of the mouth and pushes the food down into the food pipe. Now we will discuss about the food pipe. What is food pipe? Food pipe is a long thin tube which transports the food from the mouth to the stomach. This tube is inside our neck and is about 25 centimeter long in an adult body. Next we have stomach. Do you know, children, about the shape of the stomach? Our stomach is J-shaped, strong muscular bag that can change the shape and size according to the amount of food inside it. Food enters the stomach through esophagus or food pipe. Our stomach works like a food blender that churns the food we have swallowed. Gastric juices help in breaking down of food. Some parts of food, such as glucose, are directly absorbed into the blood through the walls of stomach. The food in the stomach stays for nearly 3 to 4 hours. Next we have liver. The liver is reddish brown in color. Do you know one amazing fact of liver? Okay, I'll tell you. It is the largest and busiest organ inside the body. It does many different jobs, but one of that is that it produces a thick green fluid called bile, which is stored in a bag called gallbladder. Bile is a digestive juice which help in breaking up the fats that are eaten. This make it easier for the fatty food to be digested in the stomach and intestine. Next we have intestines. The intestines are divided into two sections: small intestine and large intestine. First of all, we will discuss about the small intestine. When the food leaves the stomach, it enters the small intestine, which is about 6 meters long. It is coiled up in the center of the abdominal cavity. The digestive juices further break down the food into soluble substances, and most of the food is absorbed through the small intestine, and then the food is passed to the bloodstream. Next we have large intestine. Large intestine is a long tube around 1.5 meter long that surrounds the tightly coiled small intestine. The large intestine is wider than the small intestine. It is at the end of the digestive system. It receives the remains of the food from small intestine. Excess water and salts are absorbed here, and the waste material is excreted through the anus, which is at the end point. Last we have anus. Anus is an opening in the body which lies at the end of the rectum. The solid waste passes out of the body from here. So my dear children, this was all about the digestive system. I hope you all understood it and liked the video. Thank you.